Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm making pizza dough as I didn't cover it in my last pizza video. First of all, in a mixing bowl, I'm going to add 2.5 cups of warm water. Now I'm adding 1/4 cup sugar and 3 teaspoons of yeast. I'm going to leave it to set for around 10 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the yeast bubbles up and you can smell the yeast. As it's ready now, I'm going to add 1/4 cup oil. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons salt in 6 cup plain flour and I'm going to mix it. Now I'm going to gradually add the flour into the yeast mixture while mixing. As you can see, I'm adding half cup at a time. I personally find this dough better than the ready-made ones as this is more soft and tasty, and the family also enjoy it. Keep mixing while adding more flour until the dough has hardened and the dough should be a bit sticky. Now I'm going to take another bowl, grease it well and add the mixture. Now cover with cling film, making sure to oil the top so the dough don't stick to it. Now leave it to rest for 2 to 3 hours. The dough should double its size. Once the dough is ready, spread some flour on your prep table. Take the dough out of the bowl and knead the dough, making it into a bowl shape. Now divide the dough into 4 parts. And make them into 4 round balls. Now spread some more flour on your prep table. Take one bowl and flatten it into a round shape. Now I'm going to grease my baking tray and place the dough. Now I'm going to add homemade pizza sauce. You can find the recipe in the description. Now I'm adding cheese, all the toppings, and I'm finishing off with more cheese. Now I'm going to bake it in preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. See you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.